Hi there, Russ with Pro Steam. Now, for some of you who have subscribed to my channel will recognise this village hall. You'll certainly remember how the floor looked back in December of last year. We worked on this floor between Christmas and New Year's. We deep cleaned it and we then sealed it using Dr Schutz PU sealer. Now, we have advised the client on what products to use on the floor, but it's not really being maintained correctly. So we've been asked to come in and perform a deep clean on the floor using the correct products. Today we're using Dr Schutz PU cleaner, and we're going to gently scrub the floor using our Excentra machine. Okay, and we're then going to collect all the dirty water using this wet and dry machine here. But before we do so, we need to make sure that there's no surface debris at all on the floor. So we're going to give the flooring a thorough vacuum. We're going to come back and see how it looks. We're going to do half this area here, and so we get a comparison. So we'll come back to this in just a sec. Right, folks, okay, this area here is still dirty, but all we've done is just applied our cleaner to the surface, and the floor beyond that I've just deep cleaned, and the floor is exactly how it looked after we had cleaned and sealed it back in December. And it's now June. So all I'm saying is, with the correct equipment to maintain a floor of this size, you can actually get excellent results. A mop and bucket on a room of this area is just not enough. You need an industrial scrubbing machine that can deep clean the floor and extract all the dirty water, okay? And that's exactly what we're doing today.